Hi there. Today I'm going to go over the step-by-step pickup and drop-off guide. Now, most of you have come to the Taking Care of Business Week, so you have received your car stickers, which will have a color and a number 1 or a number 2. Now, the first thing you want to do is identify if you're group 1 or group 2. If you're group 1, that means you have kids in the primary years only. This is playgroup through year 6. That means you have no kids in secondary, no kids in years 7 through 13. Or you're group 2, which means you have kids in secondary only, or you have kids in secondary with primary siblings. The next step, step 2, is to find your group drop off and pickup time. So if you have a 1 on your sticker, you're part of group 1. Your drop off time is 7:45 and pick up at 3:20. Of course, this will extend once co-curriculars are offered. And Wednesdays, your pickup time is 1:20. Now, if you're group 2, then you would use your group 2 drop off and pickup. Group 2 drops off at 7:30 a.m. and that is when our gates open. So you would drop off 7:30, and by the time our group 2 is out, our group 1 will be coming in. Pickup is at 3:30. You can see the little bit of stagger between the groups, and Wednesdays is 1:35. And the last step, which is to find your car sticker zone color. So basically, what color is your zone? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it red? Or is it green? And that will identify the location within the school to where you drop off. And I will share the next video will be about the campus drop-off zones and map.